Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to use in equation for writing equations in a document in Microsoft Word. In equation is an additional app in Microsoft Word equation editor that allows you to write mathematical equation with hands if you have a touchscreen or through mouse or with in writing pad if you have the facility. For example, here I want to write an inline equation through Ink Editor. I come to Insert tab and then I click the drop down menu on Equation tab and I come down here to Ink Equation. If I click in Ink Equation, this app appears and here there are different tabs that you can use. You when select write, you are allowed to write in this area errors. If you during the equation, if you make some mistake, you can erase them, or you can select a part of the equation to change to certain formats, or you can clear the whole of it if you click on this button. So let me first write down a very easy equation in the form of x plus y. Oh, right now the y is not correct and the equation enters a zero for it because it is something like a closed circle. So I would later remove that. X plus y equals c. You see, when I write in this area, the Microsoft Word or the ink editor put that into the typewriting phase. Now let us correct the y that I have entered here. So I come to errors and I again click on it by first pressing the left button on my mouse and then I click. It is removed. I come back to right tab and again I try to write y. So this time it is correctly entered. Now once the equation is finished, you can click on the insert tab at this position to enter the equation. So you see an inline equation has entered into the equation. That's great. And now I want to enter an equation by clicking the enter button. I repeat the same procedure. I come here, I click on the drop down menu on equation tab and then select ink equation. Now let me do a little more. I write d square psi, right? I want to put a symbol. Yeah, that is the lowercase psi over d t squared. It's correctly written, and then I want to write this as equal to c plus, let me write another symbol, alpha. So now I want to use the other tabs. I have already used erase. I can erase any part of the equation if I want, but I want to use the third one tab, select and correct. If I select this one and I click on C, it is C is activated and you can change the format. For example, you can replace that with Greek letter epsilon, or I can put it as a double face letter which represent the complex numbers. And similarly, if I click on alpha, I can convert alpha to proportionality sign, or if I have Mercer, I can write it as gamma. Whatever options are available, you can click on that one. So I just keep this alpha. And let me check this. I want to convert this from lowercase to capital letter. So I put it like this. Now it has this thing. And if I click insert, it will insert the equation into the document. The use of this app is very beneficial if you have a writing pad. So you can use the ink equation to enter any equation in your Microsoft document. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Safi Mix, kindly support the channel by pressing the subscribe button. Also, hit the like button in the video. Thanks for watching.